Alright, hey everyone, Luke Stava here. Just want to go through Fiverr.com. So earlier in the video I was showing you exactly what I do for my logos and creating a brand for your Amazon product. Right now I've just kind of gone to Fiverr at just Fiverr.com and I searched logo design. So very, very simple, and you're going to get a list of all different types of designers. You can do delivery time, price range, your style, format, resolutions, and then they have a seller level, very similar to Alibaba. You can pick what type of seller. I've got it on level 2, top rated seller. That narrows it down to a couple thousand, but you can see there's very, very, very many here. We'll switch this to actually English. And so that's going to show these, but if you look at it, this one's very expensive, $1,100. Then you've got, I'll design 3 premium logos for $5. So let's click on this one. 4.8 reviews, or star rating, very similar to Amazon there. 1,000 plus, level 2 seller. So they've been doing it for quite some time. You can see some of their design. You can tell what they get. From India, since been doing it a couple years, how long it takes to respond, and delivery time about 22 hours. So here, for $5, like I've got 3 products that I'm doing, I can get 3 starter logos plus 12 hours delivery and no complex design. So very, very simple, but if you just need some lettering, like some of my designs will just be lettering, kind of like this logo, or something like this. Yeah, nothing more than this, nothing less. I think this would work very, very good. For $35, this is most popular, even $35, that's 3 custom premium logo design, high-end branding. Maybe you want to spend $35. So you get 3D mockup, vector file. Important to have the vector file, so I'd probably go with this. Concepts included, and you get unlimited revision, so you can adjust it, change it. So for $35, for about $10, $12 each product you have, you can get a nice quality logo. So that's one thing. So one aspect, you got to get the logo. And then number 2, what you can do is like design for branding or package. So you can do like package design. So if we look at package design here, you can see this is very similar. A lot of boxes will have something like this. Same type of listing. So let's go to level 2, top rated sellers, and we'll do English, and you get the ranking. So you got $15, $35, $50, $85, 50, 30. You don't want to keep it under 50 each one. So let's take a look at somebody with the reviews. So 47 reviews, pretty good. Okay, so 47 reviews. Pretty good design. So from the United States. So the logo is from India. This is from the United States. And let's see, basic design, high quality label. So commercial use, source file, print ready. No 3D image, unlimited revisions. And so for 60, you can kind of get everything, all the different formats, do thorough research and design, nice product packaging with 3D mockup, print ready files. I'd probably be somewhere between that 40 and 60. So let's say you're going to spend like 12 on the logo, you're going to spend 40 on here, so you're right around that $50 to $70 each product. Not too bad, not too bad. So I would remember that, kind of keeping that $50 to $75 range. 10 to 15 for the logo, and then maybe somewhere in that $50 range, 40 to 60 for the actual design. But you can see, that's a quality design. This is something that you would see maybe in a grocery store, for this is an olive oil. Then we've got some type of peanuts or cashews here. So you can see, nice lettering. They got a picture here, formatted well. Some ingredients probably on this as well, as it's a food product. Here, some type of coffee mug or coffee cup thing, or tea. This would be something that you would see, good package. Glow in the dark. Yeah, decent design. This is exactly what I would need. So for my design, this would work very, very good. So $12, 40 or 60, go 20 basic maybe and see how it goes. And if you need to, you can upgrade to 40 or 60 if you got a lower budget as well. But keep that in mind. Fiverr.com I think is a good option. Relatively inexpensive. Sometimes they have coupon codes and discounts, so you can look for those as well. Do a quick search on there. But yeah, within a couple days, 2 days, I'd say max, you have a great logo for your products. I'll be doing this for my 3 products. I'm trying to get up to 5 products in the next week and get going. So my first 3 products, I've got samples coming. I think for my next 2 products, what I'm going to do is switch it up and do a different process. Instead of ordering the samples, the one negative that I think you're going to get a better understanding of who the supplier is, but it takes some time. For the next 2, I'm going to do a little bit more research up front, pick a good supplier, do the RFQs, and then do just maybe a smaller order, trial order, and just kind of take a chance, get them shipped out, get into Amazon, because I'm really wanting to get going. So hopefully this is helpful. If you like this, please like it, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. Thanks, everyone.